Yes?
Your Holiness, I was listening to you very carefully about Atma and Anatma, and I can't work it out, because if you die and there's no Atma, then what is it that remains? What is it that goes on?
Buddhist explanation is the I is designated on the combination of body and mind. And body and mind also grosser level, subtle level, very, very subtle level. So the very, very subtle level, very subtle body and subtle mind always together, combined. That's the basis of designation of self. So that combined subtle body, subtle mind, no beginning, no end. So designation of the I, on that, no beginning, no end. Clear? So the basis of imprint is that subtle mind. As we already discussed, at the time of death, grosser level of body and speech and mind dissolve. Subtle level also dissolve. Then innermost of subtle level, after death, still body remain fresh, because subtle mind and subtle body remain within the body. As soon as that subtle body and mind separate from this body, then body decay immediately. Quite mysterious, isn't it? I think everybody have some sort of the knowledge that some interest keep. Then at the time of death, then we have to carefully watch real experiences. Maybe too late. I feel like that in my daily sort of practice, yoga practice, the 8th stage of dissolution. I think 5 times, I always do. Supposed to the preparation when actual death comes. So whether succeed or not, I don't know. So as an experiment, time of sleep. Again, you should have some sort of fuller knowledge. The stage of dissolution process. Dissolution process. Some knowledge. Then, at the time of sleep, you fully alert your mind. I must sort of recognize the stages of these dissolution. Too much alert, then destroy sleep. So you need sort of
a balanced awareness.
Very clever way. Then there is possibility. First step, second step of dissolution, possible to recognize. Then third, fourth, fifth, difficult. Unless you have some sort of deeper experience. Then that only dream time. Remember this practice. Dream time, firstly, realize now I'm dreaming. I'm state of dreaming. Then deliberately meditate certain sort of place of chakra, mainly here. Then there's a possibility, dissolution, while you are dreaming, because of the concentration, because of the deliberately. That's also possible. So then much easier to realize these different stages of dissolution. But not easy. Take time. You need first sort of step, you need to try to remember 말이야, 소타죠.
To be aware of.
Ah,
Become aware of.
become aware at the dream time. Now I'm dreaming. So once you realize dream time, now I'm dreaming, I'm in the state of dream, then you can control dream. And one, my official, monk official, very honest, I think no point to tell lie to me. He mentioned his mother, I think 1950s. His mother, you see, one day told him, now I am going to sleep, long period. So during that sleep, you don't disturb my body, mother told. Then next 1 week, looks mother sleep. After 1 week, mother told him, during those days, mother separated his subtle being and body, grosser level of body, separated, and she visited different places. And she actually sort of telling what really happened in these places. Her dream body actually separated from the body and visit different places. I wish, you see, such sort of friend there. Then, as a government official, I would send to spy what you are doing. Or to China. Then, Politburo meeting can watch.